Hi everybody, I am back with the install. This is video number 2. The first one was the unboxing, and I have to say I love this wig. But let me tell you a little bit about it again. This is Outre and it's called Perfect Hairline, and it has 13 by 6 parting space at the top, and it's pre-braided, and it's the color number 2, and it's Iba. That is such a weird name. I don't know where they came up with that. But here's the card for it. And this is cleaning instructions, install instructions. And here is the box again as a reminder. Okay, so this is it. Let me lean in a little bit so you can get a closer look. Now, no one can tell me that doesn't look real. Isn't that amazing? For the first time I actually played around with baby hairs, and normally I don't bother, but I decided I'd give it a try with this one. And what I did was, I have this little brush here. It has a comb on the bottom, a little brush on the top. You know what, I think I got it at Amazon for like $2 or $3, something like that, and it works great. But you can also use a toothbrush. And then I have the trusty Got to Be Glued, and what I did is I just put a little bit on my hand, and then I just swooped the the baby hair, and then I tied it off for about 10 minutes, and there you have it. I also, if you look closer too, I use some makeup. Let me see if I have it here. Here it is. Cheap makeup from the Dollar Tree called LA Colors, and here it is. I use this actually on the inside of the cap to make it look more natural, and let me tell you the color. This is tan, BPP 322, LA Colors, Dollar Tree, tan. Okay, so I just dabbed it all on the inside, and then once you turn it over, sometimes the makeup bleeds into the hair where you don't want it to, and an easy fix for that is take a wash rag and wipe it off. That's it. So this is what it looks like, and it is indeed long, about 24 inches. Let me turn around. Color number 2, and I have to say I'm loving it. So hopefully it'll last a couple months, you know. I don't wear my lace wigs to bed, so they last a little bit longer, and sometimes I switch them out as well. But I just have to say I really love this wig. I like the way it looks on me, and it makes me feel like I look younger too. And you know, I'm an old lady too, so this makes me feel like a spring chicken. Okay, well anyways, thank you guys for watching. As a reminder, this is video 2. I do have an unboxing, and as always, like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Take care.